This is my Epson EX9220 projector. Recently, the bulb went out on this bad boy. Luckily, B&H had it in stock, and I was able to pick one up and have them ship it within, what, 2 days? If that. I think it was next day. So, this is the projector for that one. It's the LP97. That unit originally comes with the 96 of this same bulb. So instead of 97, 96, but on Epson's website, it says the 97 is also okay to work with the EX9220. So here we go. Most of these projectors are very similar. So on this side right here, behind the speaker, by the vent, this little square cut out, there's a Phillips screw right there. I don't know if you can see that. Phillips screw right there. That should be the only screw, and then two on the inside to pop it out. So we have our little kit here. Pop this bad boy open. It's really easy. Okay. Screw, screw, screw. Back it out all the way. Slide down. Pop off. And there you have your lamp. Very visible right in front. These two Phillips screws. So one here. And then you should be able to just pop this bad boy straight out. Okay, so they both should be good. Paperwork, like I said, 97. I'm not sure what this is for, but I guess we'll find out in a second. And then the actual well-packaged lamp of itself in the box. So that. So yeah, there we go. Hold it from the same area. And there it is. So this is the new one. It's a new one. I'm gonna just rest it up there. And this one should pop straight out. Yeah, this is, you can hear that? Okay, so that's out with the old, and this is the new. All right, so should just slide right in. There we go. Now that I push down a little more, I saw the screws pop up. That means they're touching the hole there. Yep, caught on. And this one, nice, caught on. So that essentially should be it. That should be all it takes. I'll take this bad boy and dispose of this properly, because it has mercury inside of it because of the filament. Excuse me. Got that bad boy in here. Drop it in the box. Wrap it back up. Put it to the side for now. So, in all, that should be all. And now I can put this back on the wall and get going again. Let's see. And there you have it. All replaced. And orientation is switched. 1, 2, 3.